Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be preparing the simplest form of khichdi. Alright, so what you see in front of me is the aluminium cup or the vessel of the Panasonic rice cooker. Okay, so we'll be using the Panasonic rice cooker, a simple rice cooker, to make our khichdi today. So the ingredients for this would start from firstly, yes, our rice. I'm using India Gate Basmati rice for this. That's all I have. So I mean, as of now, this is what is there in my provisions. So I'll use this, and here goes. I'll put some considerable amount of it. Okay, this much, or rather a little bit more rice. Okay, it's all eyeballing. I don't do any cup system and all those things. It's all eyeballing. It's all approximation methods only. And then I will be adding some moong dal. Alright, let me add some moong dal into it. This red chili, as you see, is basically to avoid any insect breeding inside and for during storage. So I'll add this much of moong dal. Alright, I think this should be sufficient. And what I'm going to do next is take and wash this. Okay, I'll wash this in water once, get it off whatever powdery coating it has, and then we'll come back to this in a while. Okay friends, here we go. It's been washed once, and then I've added some water on it, a little bit of water on it. And I feel as far as the composition goes, this seems pretty 50 is to 50, 50% dal and 50% rice. So that should be sufficient. And now let's add in a few more things. So what I'm going to be adding is 2 green chilies and 1 turning multicolor because I kept it for long. 2 cut up longitudinally cut up green chilies, so they go in here. And then I will put in 1 tablespoon of salt. All right, the Himalayan pink salt, right, this much. And after this, I'll also be putting in 1 tablespoon of turmeric. Okay, so it goes in there. And next I'll be putting in some pepper seeds. All right, so a little bit of pepper seeds. These many. Okay, I don't want too many pepper bombs inside, so these many pepper seeds should be sufficient to serve 1 person. And having done this, I would also be adding a little bit of ghee. That's it. Only that much. All right, that much of ghee, and then I'll go ahead and turn on the switch, and then it's right now and keep warm. I'll go and start it up. All right. So this begins, and then we will close it with this lid, and you don't have to worry about it. It will automatically go into keep warm mode after it thinks it has finished cooking. All right, let me show you the result once it's done. Ciao. My dear friends, welcome back. As you can see, it has just clicked into at how the khichdi has been cooked. Birbal ki khichdi. Tada! Okay, so this is your 15-minute khichdi, very quick in a rice cooker. Just you can serve it well with curd rice. The spicier you make it, the more you'll enjoy it with curd rice. Very healthy too. a lot of turmeric and pepper and green chili and stuff, and of course a bit of protein in the form of dal. So my dear friends, here you go. This is a typical khichdi, a simple khichdi, the quickest khichdi that can be cooked on a rice cooker, and some bhajia, and this is curd rice and some pickle. So this is a great combination for a quick, sumptuous and a satiating lunch or dinner with the goodness of protein, calcium and whatnot, the whole host of it. Bon appetit!